Hello students, good morning to you all. Today we are going to learn about types of noun, that is common noun and proper noun. Before we start, let us discuss about what we learned in previous session. That you have already watched the video, right? So what we learned? Yes, we learned in the last session about nouns. Okay, nouns are the naming words, or you can say noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Right? Hope you understood the concept of noun. Now let's begin with the new concept, that is types of noun, common noun and proper noun. In this we are going to learn about only common noun and proper noun. Let us start with what is meant by common noun. Uh, Common noun. Common noun is a type of noun which means general names of a person, place, animal, thing, or you can say event. Okay, and remember, it is always written with a small letter. Okay, again I repeat. Common noun is a type of noun which means general names of a person, place, animal, thing or event. And whenever it is written, it starts with a small letter. Let us learn with the examples. Here are some examples. See, common nouns. In this, father, nurse, hospital, country, pencil, laptop, festival, wedding, etc. These are the general names, right? So we can call them common noun. Let's learn about what is proper noun. Proper noun. Proper noun is a type of noun which means specific names of a person, place, animal, thing or event. And whenever it is written, it always starts with a big letter, or you can say capital letter. Okay, again I repeat. Proper noun is a type of noun which means specific names of a person, place, animal, thing or event. ओके, ये प्रॉपर नाउन में क्या होता है, स्पेशल नेम दिया जाता है या पर्सन को, प्लेस को. जैसे कि योर मीन्स रीना, प्लेस का नाम ताजमहल. एनिमल डॉग कॉमन नाउन है, लेकिन डॉग को हम अगर घर पे रखते हैं तो उसका नाम रखते हैं टॉफ़ी. तो टॉफ़ी इज़ अ proper noun. Okay, I'll explain you deeply the difference between common noun and proper noun. Okay, and it is always written in capital letter. That you have to fit it in your mind. Proper noun always start with a capital letter. Let us see the examples of proper noun. See, Nico, Sarah, Philippines, Mongol, Esser, Beckhold, Devoid, Doctors Hospital, East West Bank. Okay. See, here are few points that you have to remember in your mind. Okay. Common nouns are common names of person, things, place, animals or events, and it always start with a small letter. Again I tell you, common noun always start with a small letter. Common nouns हमेशा small letter से start होते हैं और proper noun हमेशा capital letter से start होते हैं. See, in this we can see the difference between. Okay, हमें यहाँ पे पता चलेगा कि proper noun exactly है क्या और common noun क्या है. Proper noun, they have a name and common noun they do not have a name. General name बोलते हैं उसको बोलते हैं कॉमन नाउन. उसका कोई स्पेसिफिक नेम नहीं होता है, लेकिन प्रॉपर नाउन में उसका स्पेसिफिक नेम होता है. यहाँ पे देखो ऑडी. ऑडी मतलब कार का नाम है, तो कार क्या है? कॉमन नाउन. और ऑडी क्या है? प्रॉपर नाउन. अगेन आई रिपीट, कार is a common noun, but we have given the name of the car, that is Audi. This that we can call Audi as a proper noun. Second, country. Country is a common noun because it's a general name, right? But England is the name of the country. Okay, you can see England is the name of a country which we call them proper noun. Next is third, singer. Singer is a common noun. You can say singer हम सबको बोलते हैं, है ना. लेकिन स्पेशली जैसे कि नेहा कक्कर और यू कैन से सोनू निगम, तो वो सिंगर का नाम है, तो वो नाम उसको हम बोलेंगे प्रॉपर नाउन, और सिंगर क्या है? कॉमन नाउन. नेक्स्ट इज ड्रिंक. क्या पी रहे हो? ड्रिंकिंग. तो क्या? लेकिन पेप्सी, तो ड्रिंक का नाम क्या है? पेप्सी. तो ड्रिंक विल बी कॉमन नाउन और पेप्सी विल बी प्रॉपर नाउन. एंड द लास्ट वन इज ऐप. एप्लीकेशन का नाम जनरली हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऐप. लेकिन ऐप का नाम क्या है? जैसे कि आप अलग अलग ऐप डाउनलोड करते हो ना, गेम का ऐप, और यू कैन से फेसबुक, व्हाट्सअप, ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, तो वो ऐप है. लेकिन एप्लीकेशन का नाम WhatsApp, तो वो proper noun, और app is the common noun. See in this, let's see it is common noun or proper noun. See, here is a picture of mouse. Mouse is a common noun. And next is Mickey. Okay, here Mickey is the name of mouse, so we call them Mickey as a proper noun. You can see the difference. Mickey is a proper noun and am is written in a capital letter, right? And in common noun, am is written in a small letter. Okay, so mouse is the general name of the animal, while Mickey is the specific name of an animal that is red. Next, here. Let us try this activity. Tell me whether it is common noun or proper noun. Okay, the house. House is a, yes, house is a general name of the place, so we can call common noun. This exercise is for your more practice only. Don't need to write it in your notebook. Okay. For more explanation, I have given some extra slides. Okay, house is the general name of a thing, or you can say place, so common noun. And the next thing that you can see, that H is written in a small letter. Next is Union Bank. Okay, Union Bank is the specific name of a place, you can say. Okay, specific name of a place. And next important thing, that U is written in a capital letter, so Union Bank is a proper noun. Bank is a common noun, but we have given the special name to bank, that is Union Bank, so Union Bank is a proper noun. Next is pencil. So it's proper noun or common noun? Yes, it should be a common noun because it is the general name of a thing, and you can see it is written in a small letter. Let us again have a recap. Okay, common noun is a type of noun which means the general name of a person, place, animal, things, etc. Okay, and it is always written in a small letter. While proper noun is a type of noun which means specific names of a person, place, animal, or thing, and it is always written in the capital letter. Kids, I hope you all understood the lessons of common noun and proper noun. Goodbye, kids. See you in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye.